Welcome to the Snap Circuits Sneaky 6 collection. The Pythagorean theorem states that in a right-angled triangle, the square of the hypotenuse side is equal to the sum of squares of the other two sides. This means that the 6-snap wire, which spans 5 units, can cut diagonally across a 4x3 space. These type of connections are usually made with a jumper wire connection, but with some planning, you can eliminate jumper wires altogether. Build the circuit as shown and then turn on the switch S1 connected to the battery. On the right side of this circuit is an astable multivibrator circuit. This circuit uses a mixture of transistors and capacitors to achieve the alternating light effect. The left side of the circuit labeled siren is optional. Turn on the switch S1 connected to the U2 to enable a fast or shorter oscillating siren sound. Holding the S2 switch will change the sound to a slower, longer siren. Build the circuit as shown. Switch on the circuit by turning on the switch S1. Next, press the S2 button once. This will turn on the LED. Then press the S2 button a second time and the LED will turn off. Here's the one button latch with the minimal amount of parts. You only need 5 resistors, R1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And you need a capacitor, C7. I've added a switch, and there's a second diagonal 6-snap wire in here as well. But now it is a lot less parts, and it works pretty stable. If you turn it on, you can see you can toggle. Works pretty stable. It has a bonus feature which I found out by mistake. If I turn it on with the off state, the initial state is off. But if it's on when I turn it off, the initial state is on. So it's basically RAM for about 10 seconds until the capacitor dies. To create the Simon game, you'll need the U21 microcontroller. If you don't have it, there won't be another way to do it. You'll need to load the program simon.xml into the microcontroller by using the programming cable. Instructions on how to do this are in the XP50 manual available online. You can use the Blockly app or the Blockly web app to load the program.